Not a bad day in Invermere, BC today. What's going on, guys? How's it going? Mark Freeman 408. Get ready for a sledding adventure. So originally we were planning to go up a mine today, which is back kind of behind those clouds. You could see those mountains this morning, but clouds kind of came in, and then we turned around and we're like, you know what? Let's go to the top over there. Well, one of these. It's around here. So anyways, yeah, she's Blue Sky Basin over there, so we're gonna head up there. Chaz is clearing off the porch with his leaf blower. Sleds are still loaded up from yesterday. We just gotta grease and gas them up, throw some oil in there. Got the bags packed, cameras, drones, everything you can imagine. So this is how you clear snow in BC. Anyways, let's head up there, get out of here, and freaking crush it. I'm so excited. I haven't mountain sled in a long time, so today is our day. Just getting the old Pelican case with all the camera gear latched on there, because you know, drones and DSLRs are key to the situation today.
You betcha.
Hey, fits like a donut.
The old sled rack's pretty sick.
Yeah, I can't wait to stand these girls up. It's been a minute. All right, let's get the Silverado out of here. Off here. Just went to the grocery store. We're on our way back, and I figured I'd go say hi to Bambi here. I can pet him. Probably gonna ram me. Well, I tried. Clouds are coming in. Think we'll be above the clouds today? Hey?
What's that?
We'll be above the clouds today?
Oh yeah, bluebird for sure. A little inversion day. You can see over there.
Yeah.
Punch through that, no problem. It's gonna be.
Oh yeah, she's peeking through in the back.
Yes,
So just
sir.
gotta gas up the toys, and I'm excited to have the camera gear. It's usually pretty tough to bring camera gear on these things, eh? You
Can be.
You got it fingered out though.
Oh yeah, she's fingered right out.
Just heading up here. They've been logging this part for 2 years. It's pretty hard to tell how steep this is, but she's pretty friggin' steep. Pretty crazy, eh? Pretty crazy.
Yes, sir.
Indeed. Machines. Look at this, boys. A little time lapse going. A few people are skipping work today. We're headed up there. How amazing does that look? I'm pretty excited. Hope you guys are excited. We're gonna try and do a few videos today. Try and get as much content as possible for you guys. I know you love sleds, so let's unload the girls. Hey, yeah, the old flap, eh? That's a guarantee on the old skidoos. Let's get up to the cabin here. That's where we're headed.
You betcha. I'll go back into the abyss back there, and hopefully it's gonna open up for us.
That'd be nice, eh?
Yeah, buddy.
A couple people here already. Apparently 2 feet of powder yesterday, so let's get out there and rip it.
You all right?
I just backflipped. All right, so I just nailed that straight on. Basically did a backflip. Oh man, Powder City. Wild down here. This is a bit breezy right now. Hopefully it comes down. Oh yeah, I told you. Kind of like that. Yeah. There's a bit of hard stuff underneath it, so when it catches you. Whew. Oh well, at least we both did it. That's what mountain sledding's about, right? Yeah, roll her over. This is how you get a mountain sled unstuck. You just, up! Up! Sounds like your friends are coming. Oh, it is quite a workout out here. I'm sweating. Definitely didn't need a sweater. Wonder if he's gonna try it again now. Little brake tap. Here we go. First time in 8 years on the mountain. I just skipped rivers all last year.
Still kind of early in the year. GoPro footage there, I just hit that rock and airmailed way up the hill there. Damn rock. Anyways, great day, great time. Boop boop.
Fired it up. Went for a little endo, did you?
Yeah. So
Showing off for the GoPro again.
yeah. The rock's coming out, give me a kiss like that.
Little nut tap. Just had a little slide up there. I don't know if you guys can see that. Pretty crazy, eh? Hopefully no more.
What do you feel, Rockstar?
That's insane. I don't got the balls to go to the top. I mean, I could get there, but I'd be scared to turn it around.
Yeah. The old turbo.
Made it half there.
Yeah.
Especially when it's not my sled either.
That's right.
finished a little photo shoot. I had a little edge drop off of me. I thought I was going down with the mountain. But other than that, I'm having a wicked awesome time. We only had one runaway sled so far, and it wasn't mine, so the sun's just teasing us on the peak there. So we're going to go have some lunch and maybe get more light once the sun comes back out again. It's wicked awesome out there.
Whoop, whoop.
Little homemade meal on the Barbie.
Toast them up.
Look at this.
Toast them up, boys.
Can't complain about that view. Oof. You think we'll make her back there today, or you think it's too clouded in?
We can go back there. Just can't see much, so we'll probably still poke back, check it out.
Hey, you never know. There might be a nice open sunspot back there.
Oh yeah, for sure.
So we were what, over there?
Yeah, right in the sun. We're still sunny there. You bet.
Cool. Right on. Straight from Subway. Anyways, we're gonna chow these down. We're gonna relax for a good hour, and then we're gonna head back out. We're gonna wrap this up for now. All that noise is some guy on the roof clearing it off. I thought he was building a snowboard jump, but apparently he's just taking snow off. Got my hopes down there. Anyways, so yeah, we're gonna go out later and just do a separate video. We want to do as many as possible out here, but I don't want to make one long 45-minute video that's action-packed with too much stuff. Because what, we've already had 4 crashes today. Mm-hmm. I've had 1. He said 3. You got me beat. So anyways, thank you guys for watching the videos. Make sure you check out the links below. Potter shots, the rentals, we're going to be doing snow bikes later this week. So check all those guys out. And yeah, if you ever want to come out here and, you know, have a photo sesh with the man, he's your guy. He'll... Well, you'll see all the photos, you know, appearing on Instagram over the next week. So thank you guys again. Check out the links below. Leave some comments and eat a sub. Later.